let's take a paper and fold it into half to draft the pattern. Then I'm going to do a freehand drawing like this. Now cut this pattern. You can draw a pattern like this. And now what we are going to do is take a cardboard piece and then we are going to cut this pattern out of that cardboard. I've cut 3 pieces of this cardboard using the same pattern that we cut out from the paper, and then I've used the glue gun to glue all these cardboard pieces together. So these 3 pieces, it's going to make it sturdy and thick. The next step is to make the base for this. So what I've done is I just simply cut oval pieces out of cardboard. So we're going to keep the base over here and then the stand on the base, and then we are going to mark this. I've already done that part. So again, I've made 3 pieces for the base as well. The next step what we'll be doing is we are going to cut this rectangle. Since I'm having 3 pieces, you can either cut just in 1 piece or maybe 2, as much as you want. So this is going to make it strong. Now out of these 3 pieces, I'm going to use 2 pieces for making this hole, and I've cut this part. We can insert our stand into this. So that particular part is to fix the stand to the base. And now we can attach this 3rd piece just to cover it up, and you won't see it. So the basic shape is going to look something like this. And I'm going to use the glue gun again to stick all these pieces together. So here is the final base cardboard of our jewelry stand. I stick all these pieces together using the glue gun. So next step what we're going to do is we're going to seal all these rough edges. For that I'm going to take some bits of papers. You can use either tissue papers or some newspaper pieces like this. And we need some Mod Podge. I'm going to apply Mod Podge to this edges, and then I'm going to use this paper. If you're not comfortable using a single sheet for this, you can even cut some tiny newspaper pieces and then stick them all individually. Then apply the Mod Podge again on top of this. So now do it for all the edges, including the base. Here is the cardboard piece where I've painted gesso on top of this. So this is going to cover these rough edges, and also this is going to make this cardboard piece sturdy. And on top of this we're going to apply some texture paste. So that is just to give some good looking appearance. Let's apply the texture paste on this cardboard now. I've made some homemade texture paste. And you can cover the base as well. that is just to give a rough texture. Now the plaster of Paris is completely dried out and even the cardboard is strong now. For the next step, we can get this all painted with black paint. For that I'm going to use the acrylic black paint and I'm going to use a matte one. Let's start painting this. Now the paint is completely dried out and this is how the jewelry stand is going to look like. You can see those textures over here. This gives that very unique look to display your handmade jewelry, and also you can use it for the photo shoot. My main intention is to use it for the photo shoot. Now let's try adding a piece of jewelry to see how this looks like. See how beautiful this looks now. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this.